Hi, I'm Ed for Bikerheadz, and today we're going to be talking about the Bering Drift jacket for men and for women. Okay, so the new for 2020 Bering Drift jacket for men and women replaces the Jap jacket from the past two seasons, which really changed the way we think about motorcycle jackets. That had a hoodie, zip out hoodie lining, sold very, very well. And this is the replacement for 2020, the Drift. So there have been 3 colorways for men, 2 colorways for ladies. Just talk you through the colorways quickly. First of all, you've got the black on black classic colorway, black hood inside as well. That comes for ladies and men in the black on black colorway. You've got the black fuchsia over my left shoulder, which is obviously just for the ladies. You've got the classic black camo, which is our bestseller in the Yap, so we're sure it'll be the bestseller for the men in the Drift jacket as well. And finally, we've got this absolutely stunning Hi-Vis Colorway, which is a completely different type of product for Bering. Talk you through this colorway specifically, because it has some features that the other ones don't. So if you look at the outside, you've got this silver material running down the front of the product. We'll just spin it around all the way down the back. Now this is based on a lot of running jackets, cycling jackets. See, all this silver material here is completely reflective. If you go to your local store and try one of these out, turn your phone on flash, take a picture of the flash on, you'll just see how bright this is. A massive safety feature of this product. Obviously some people might like to be a bit more classical with the black or the camo colorway, but this is the one for those guys that want to be seen but still look cool. So let's run you through some of the features of the Drift jacket. As you can see, it retains that classic shape from the Jap, has the soft shell material on the exterior of the product, so it gives you that flexibility, nice and soft feeling, and nice and comfortable on long rides. You've still got the 2 ventilation points at the top here. You've got contrast on these ones. The black ones will just have a black mesh underneath as well. This one obviously being that safety, that Hi-Vis colorway, you've got that fluoro yellow built in. It's fully waterproof as you'd expect, fully sea approved again as you'd expect from Bering. You've got elbow and shoulder armour, adjustable elbow armour, so you can get in just the right position. Again, the Bering Amiga protects on this product, so it's going to give you plenty of protection, elbows and shoulders. Zip closure at the bottom of the cuff. You've got 2 pockets on the front of the product as well. If I just open it up at the front here quickly, you can see you've got the wind and water resistant waterproof part inside the zip to give you that full protection with the folded and stitched storm flaps, so the water's going to run down and off the side. One of the big differences between the old Yap jacket and the new Drift is the way the interior is made up. So with the old Yap jacket you'd have a full hoodie inside the product. With this one you've got a zip off hood on the top, so you can completely zip the hood off and wear this as a standalone jacket. But if I open it up, you'll see inside you've now got this destination lining. Massively popular on some of our other products. You've got this puffer jacket on the inside that you can wear on its own. It's still got the pockets on the side here, you can see down the side with the zip closure. So you can wear that on its own, nice and warm inside, just increases warmth, giving you that down lining. Back to that, on the waterproof side of things, you've got a BWT 100 Plus membrane, which is their membrane with a laminated wickable line on the inside. Super comfortable, very easy slide on and off, keep you nice and cool, breathable in the summer. Folding that back over, say the hood is completely zip off. So if you don't want to wear the hood, you can zip that off completely and just wear it as a full winter jacket on its own. It's obviously perfectly finished around the top for that. You've got a reflective panel on the back for a bit more protection, and then you've got the ABS system vent point running down the back as well. All these features are available on the ladies and the men's exactly the same. The ladies is obviously just a different cut, still has that destination lining inside, still has the BWT 100 Plus membrane, the adjustable shoulders, the zip off hood, ventilation points on the front and the back. So exactly the same spec for the ladies as the men's, it's only the colourways that are different. Run it back around to the front quickly. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful jacket, beautifully designed, and again, Bering pushing the boundaries, doing things that other people aren't doing and making the jackets that people want. Even if they don't know they want them, when they see this, you'll look at it and you'll think, yep, that's the product I want to get into. Nice and safe. Obviously with Bering, you've got your 3-year warranty extendable on the Bikerheadz website, so make sure if you do buy a Bering jacket and trousers, make sure you're extending that warranty up to 3 years. So for any more information on this, the men's jacket or the ladies' jackets, go to bikerheadz.co.uk.